Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Omicron live news updates. Israel to offer fourth COVID vaccine dose to people over 60. Omicron continues to spread rapidly in different countries, and experts are struggling for ways to keep the newly detected and more contagious variant at bay. US President Joe Biden announced on Tuesday more federal vaccination and testing sites to tackle a surge in COVID-19 driven by the Omicron variant and said 500 million free at-home rapid tests will be available to Americans starting in January. Biden offered both a warning to the unvaccinated who he said have good reason to be concerned and reassurance that those who are inoculated can gather for the holidays despite the new variant sweeping the country. No, this is not March of 2020, Biden told reporters at the White House. 200 million people are fully vaccinated. We are prepared. We know more. Biden's remark came as some cities and states imposed new measures aimed at protecting the public, including stricter vaccine mandates, striking a dire tone about the risk to the 1 in 4 American adults who are not fully vaccinated. Biden said they have a significantly higher risk on ending up in the hospital or even dying. Biden noted the former President Donald Trump has also received his booster shot, maybe one of the few things he and I agree on, he said. Israel announced on Tuesday that it will offer a fourth dose of COVID-19 vaccine to people older than 60. Omicron likely to peak in Feb 2022 but subside in a month. A mild new COVID wave may hit India in February 2022. Estimate two scientists behind the March talk about Sutra model of tracking the pandemic trajectory in the country. Manindra Agarwal of IIT Kanpur and M. Vidyasagar of IIT Hyderabad, co-founders of the model, told India Today that in the worst-case scenario, daily new cases may be in the range of 1.5 to 1.8 lakhs in February. That may happen if the new Omicron variant completely evades immunity is acquired either naturally or through vaccination. If what is happening in South Africa is any measure, the spread of the new variant will be fast and its fall from the peak equally swift. In case of South Africa, the number of cases peaked in 3 weeks and the decline has already started, Manindra Agarwal said. The average number of COVID cases in South Africa hit high of nearly 23,000 on December 15 and has dropped below 20,000 now. The fatality number, though still in double digits, is still rising. The IIT professors observed that given the similarity in demographics and the level of natural immunity, India is likely to mirror the Omicron trajectory unfolding in South Africa. The Omicron scare is likely to come down from February if current projections about cases, deaths, and hospitalizations are to be considered for the United Kingdom and the United States. The UK and the US together account for over 34% of daily COVID cases and 20% of daily COVID deaths globally. As per the projection by the Wellcome Center of Human Neuroimaging of the Wellcome Centre for the Neuroimaging of the University College London, COVID-related deaths and hospitalization in UK are likely to peak in the first week of January, while daily hospital admissions are projected to cross 1,200 on January 7. Daily deaths are likely to reach 137 from the present 100.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন, জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.